Audi A3, powered by a turbo 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. With a 6-speed manual transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Audi features power windows, power door locks, and rear spoiler. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include dual moonroofs, satellite radio, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.